I'm showing you the procedure of a transplant surgery. Right away, I'm telling you how to put the right ring blocks in hair transplant surgery, giving local anesthesia. So we are giving local anesthesia on the front. It is smooth running. If you want to give on the back of the head, the ring block is given as the same. You are going through and through to block the whole area with little fluid, and you see the size of the needle is very thin to avoid giving more pains to the patient. So this is the most safe procedure of local anesthesia in hair transplant surgery. Thank you very much. Keep watching videos.